30.
T-minus
Status
30
check.
seconds.
Go WGS.
Minus
Green board.
25.
Flight lock in.
Minus 22.
SRM TVC blowdown.
Minus 15.
Igniters. Rough ignition.
T-minus 10.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have ignition of the RS-68 main engine. 2, 1. And we have liftoff of the Delta IV launch vehicle carrying the WGS-6 satellite for the United States Air Force. The wideband global SATCOM satellite provides significantly increased capacity for our nation's leaders, warfighters, and international partners.
Still looking good at recovering from the initial launch transients as we're passing 25 seconds. Mark, 25 seconds in. Still looking good.
You are hearing the voice of Steve Agid providing launch
Coming
vehicle.
online. The hydrazine supply valve is now open in the vehicle. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Standing by for solid rocket motor burnout just a few seconds from now. And we have burnout standing by for separation.